Now, the splashdown happened all the way off the coast of Florida, but the celebrations happened here in India. Let me bring in Shivani Sharma, my colleague, who's joining me live right now from Sunita's ancestral village in Gujarat's Mehsana. Tell us, Shivani, about how exactly is it that the villagers celebrated that moment? Are there special screenings happening? And all those prayers that we saw happen earlier in the day, all of that, working out exactly how they would have liked, right?
Harshit, the whole atmosphere is electrifying out here in Mehsana's Julasan village. And here you see this is a temple. This is an ancient temple which have been praying for Sunita Williams' safe return since 9.5 months. Because, she was to return in June 2024 itself. But there were some technical glitches that were detected on that spacecraft. And since then, these villagers have been praying for her safe return. You see, a special screening was being done here since the night, and there was a special havan that was being done here. And when Sunita Williams touched down and the splashdown happened, all of them celebrated, they danced, and they are so happy, they are so elated, they are so connected to Sunita. They treat her as their own daughter, and this is her ancestral village, Julasan. Let's talk to these villagers how they are celebrating. आप लोग कितनी खुशी मना रहे हैं, कितनी बड़ी बात है
आज ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। एक त्योहार की तरह ये दिन गवाया जाएगा। जो हमारे गांव में जो हमने पूजा अर्चना की है आज
उसका फल मिलेगा। आज हमें 9 महीने के बाद हमें फल मिलने वाला है। जो हमें श्रावण महीने में जो धुन चालू की थी उसकी हवन और धुन में हमें जो रणकार सुनने मिले थे महादेव जी के, जो झणकार के, वही झणकार का रणकार उनको ऊपर सुनना था। वही हमें 3 दिन के बाद हमके मैसेज समाचार में पड़ा था कि हमारे महादेव जी का मैसेज
जी। हर्षित, वी हैव सम यंग गर्ल्स आल्सो हियर। आप बताइएगा कि कैसा लग रहा है? आप सुनीता विलियम्स को देखते हैं, उनसे इंस्पायर होते हैं, और आज पूरे रात जागे हो आप उनके लिए?
हम पूरी रात उनके लिए जागे और हमें अच्छा लग रहा है। उनसे हमें बहुत प्रेरणा भी मिलती है, अच्छी अच्छी प्रेरणा भी। उनके जैसे हम भी बनना चाहते हैं, उनके जैसे हम भी हमारा गाँव का नाम रोशन करना चाहते हैं।
I'll show you something, Harshit. Here, these youngsters. आपके पास क्या है? ये जरा हमारे दर्शक जो हैं, जो व्यूअर्स देख रहे हैं, उनको दिखाओ।
मेरे पास पटाखा है और 9 महीने का अंतर गया है। और
कितने सारे पटाखे आप लेके आए हो? कितने सारे? अभी Harshit, we've already seen a lot of fireworks being done here, and they are just taking a breather. They have to celebrate again. You can see this whole preparation. हाँ,
3 बॉक्स है ये। एक मिर्ची बम, एक
तो आज पूरे दिन दिवाली आप मनाने वाले हो?
पूरे दिन।
तो एक बार जोर से ताली तो बजाओ, कुछ लगे एनर्जी। आप बताइए कि यहाँ पे आप बच्चे लोग हो और सब लोग प्रेयर कर रहे हो, सुनीता विलियम्स के लिए कर रहे थे। अब क्या करने वाले हो? आके कैसे प्लान करो? पूरा पार्टी आज होगा?
आज पूरे दिन पार्टी करेंगे और पूरा दिन सेलिब्रेट करेंगे हम। आज वो वापस आ गए उसकी खुशी में।
आप बताइएगा कि आप क्या करने वाले हो? आप टीवी देख रहे थे, रात भर आप सोए नहीं हो, आप यहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग देख रहे थे, क्या बोलेंगे? I think she is sleepy. रात भर ये जाग रहे थे आप लोग। Harshit, you can see that all the villagers, they've gathered here. They've been sitting through the night. They've been praying, and they were wishing that Sunita Williams returns safely on Earth. And now they are relieved. They say that now when Sunita Williams is back on Earth, she should once visit her village again. And you see these posters, these cutouts, these pictures of Sunita that have been inspiring the villagers here, which these pictures have been kept here, and the prayers were going on since 9.5 months. So now the day has come when they will be celebrating. There will be a huge procession in the village where all the villagers from the adjoining villages will also be coming here. So a lot of happiness out here, and they say that this is the victory of their faith, their belief, and they'll be looking forward to meet Sunita Williams. But yes, the party goes on here. Harshit.
And the party must go on, of course. After all, this is indeed something special and momentous that we've seen. Thank you so much, Shivani, for joining us.